Hello Cardano enthusiasts, my name is John. Today we're going to learn how to install a Cardano Daedalus wallet so that you can keep your ADA coins on your computer instead of an exchange. Welcome to another ADA for Profit video. We invite you to subscribe to our channel so you'll never be left out when we release new videos. And if you get anything out of this video, please press the like button. Today we're going to learn how to install a Cardano Daedalus wallet. After the exercise today, you'll be able to not only keep ADA coins in your wallet on your computer, but you'll be able to receive funds from any exchange that you may have purchased ADA from. And if anything happens to your wallet, if you need to reinstall, if you switch computers, we're going to talk about how you can restore your wallet by using your seed keys. So there's a lot to learn. Let's get started. As a reminder, we're not financial analysts. You'll have to do research of your own before making any investment. Before installing the Daedalus wallet, some safety precautions should be taken. Why? Quite simply because it's your investment, it's your money. So before we install the wallet, we're going to look at two ways that you can make sure that it's safe to do so. First, make sure that you keep your computer's operating system up to date. Operating system updates include security patches, improve stability, and they also remove outdated features. Second, you must keep your computer virus and malware free. For that, invest in a good internet security suite that will give you protection. There are companies such as Norton, McAfee, and many others that provide security that will protect you. Our personal favorite is Kaspersky Internet Security Suite. After you've installed and scanned your drives to make sure that they're virus and malware free, make sure that you continue to update the definitions of your virus software so that you can maintain that protection. Okay, now we can talk about installing the Cardano Daedalus wallet so that you can hold your ADA coins on your computer. Always make sure that the Cardano Daedalus software is authentic. And there are three ways you can do this. First, obviously always download it from an official Cardano website. But they have also enabled SHA-256 checksum, which is an analysis that you can perform after you've downloaded the software, and I'll explain that, and we'll actually do that together. And then the third way is by making sure that it's digitally signed by the author, IOHK. Again, we'll do that together. So I want to share my screen, and we'll go ahead and do that now and dive right in. I'm going to share my screen with you, so as I do, I'll be moving quite quickly, so feel free to pause or to rewind at any time. So first, navigate to daedaluswallet.io, and once you've gotten to that site, click the download link. There are three choices available: Mac OS 64-bit, there's also Linux download, as well as a Windows download. So go ahead and download the file. It will default to your downloads folder. Download the corresponding ASC file. That's where it says Get Signature. That will default to the download folder as well. So now that we've downloaded both files, let's make sure that the Daedalus Installer is the same size and has the same characteristics as the authentic Daedalus Installer. And the way we're able to do that is there's a checksum value on the official site that we can check using a SHA-256 checksum. So on the same page where we downloaded the file, if you click Verify Checksum, you'll find the simple instructions you need to carry out this process. So let's go ahead and open a terminal, execute the command, and make sure that the Daedalus Installer is authentic. A simple way to find your terminal, if you're using a Mac like I am, is to click on Go, Utilities, and Terminal. And a terminal window will pop up, and you can copy and paste the command and execute it. Now look carefully at the output in the terminal window, and you'll see that it shows where you downloaded the files. Of course, that's the default download. And then it also shows you the checksum value. And that's where you can make sure that it matches what's on the official website. And you'll notice that the value in the terminal shows that the checksum starts with 73C and ends with B34. So is that correct? Well, let's go back to the site and take a look. And you'll notice that it does start with 73C and ends in B34. So we have success. Checksum is passed. The package that you downloaded, that I downloaded, is authentic. So now we can move on to the next verification. This is where we'll find out if the file that we downloaded was signed by the authors of the software, in this case, IOHK. So now open another tab in your browser and you will navigate to gpgtools.org so that we can download the verification software. After it's downloaded, install it as you normally would. After it's installed and we've launched it, the first thing that the software will do is prompt us to generate a new key pair. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Enter a password that you can remember. You're just going to do this for this software one time, so it can be anything quick and easy. So it will create the key, and then the prompt will ask if you want to upload a public key. Just click no thanks. The next step is to find the IOHK key. So click the search window and enter signing.authority@iohk.io and click search. You'll see the results. A key with a verified email address was found, and that's the signing authority IOHK. So go ahead and import the key and then click OK. So now that we've downloaded the IOHK signing authority key, how can we verify that the file we downloaded has been signed? Well, that's the next step. Right-click the imported key and click Sign. And when the window pops up, don't publish it, just click Sign. And this is where you'll need to enter that simple passphrase that you created at the start. Now that it's been signed, navigate to your Downloads folder, right-click the installation package, drop down to Services, and select Open PGP Verify Signature of File. And notice what happens. A window pops up that says, indeed, the installation file that you downloaded has a fully trusted signature. Success. It is authentic. So now we can finally install Daedalus. So close the terminal file, go ahead and double click the installation file, and go ahead and install the Cardano Daedalus wallet. Now navigate to your Applications folder and you'll find the Daedalus mainnet application. So double click that to open it. So now you need to add a wallet. So at the bottom left, click Add Wallet. And next, name your wallet anything you would like. In this case, I'll just name it New Wallet. And now you want to enter a spending password. Now remember that whenever you create a wallet or restore a wallet, you are able to create your spending password. So if you ever forget that password, don't worry. As long as you have your seed words, which we'll talk about in a second, you will be able to create a spending password again. In the next window, you'll see the seed words, and you'll have to write these down and then click, yes, I have written down my wallet recovery phrase. You'll have to enter the recovery phrase as a verification. And in the new wallet, they will make you type those instead of selecting them, as you see here. Click that you understand that you must remember your recovery phrase. And then you also must click that you understand that's the only way to recover your wallet if there are any problems as shown here. So you'll notice that new wallet is now selected, and it has to sync with the blockchain, so be patient, that will not take too long. And then if this is a new wallet, your balance is going to be, as it shows here, 0. Of course, if you are restoring a wallet or you already had a wallet with the funds, you would see those reflected right here. What I'll do now to demonstrate how you can receive funds into this wallet is I'm going to go ahead and send 10 ADA from another address. So I've gone ahead and sent ADA from another wallet, and the reason we don't see it reflected here is that the wallet is still syncing. So once that syncs up to maybe 90, for sure by 100%, you'll see the 10 ADA reflected. So there you have it. We have created a wallet and we've received 10 ADA, and that's what our balance reflects. But what would happen if something did happen, a damaged computer, or perhaps we forgot our spending password and we needed to delete the wallet, or maybe there was corruption on our computer, whatever the reason. What would happen? To demonstrate that, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this wallet. It warns you that the only way to regain access is by restoring it with a wallet recovery phrase. So let's get our ADA back. So we're going to go ahead and click restore. And what do we want to restore? A Daedalus wallet. And the kind of wallet that we want to restore is 12 words for this example, but with the new wallet it's 15 words. So in the recovery phrase window, you will have to enter your 15-word recovery phrase. So enter them one by one. So now is your opportunity to name your wallet. You can name it the same thing or something different. And here is where you have the opportunity to enter your spending password. So either keep it the same as you had before, or if you want to enter a new one, go ahead and do that. Now that you've entered your password, you find yourself looking at a wallet with 0 ADA. Do not despair. Again, remember, it has to sync with the blockchain before the wallet balance will show. So just relax, grab a beverage, and it will be complete in no time. So while we're waiting, let's go over to Binance.com and talk about how we can buy ADA. A common way is to buy Bitcoin, and then you use that Bitcoin to trade for ADA. So after you've established an account in Binance, you will have a Bitcoin wallet. So what I'll do now to get 10 more ADA is I'm going to copy the Bitcoin address, and then I'm going to go to my Coinbase account where I have some Bitcoin. So I just click send, paste in the Binance address, put in the amount of Bitcoin that I'm spending. So I'm sending 0.002 Bitcoin to Binance. It's less than $20 worth of Bitcoin. So click continue, look at the review screen, and then confirm the BTC amount to send. Unfortunately, Bitcoin takes a long time for transactions to be settled. So again, keep that beverage close by. The Bitcoin I sent, that transaction has been confirmed. So back to Binance, and sure enough, the 0.002 has been added. Now I'll go to Binance trading desk and do a market buy for ADA, and I'm buying it with Bitcoin. So now let's go back to our Daedalus wallet. Now that we've purchased ADA, sent ADA, so in the wallet, click on receive so that you can copy an address in order to send more ADA to the wallet. After you've copied the address, go back to the exchange, in this case it's Binance. Click withdraw, and you can withdraw the ADA that you purchased and paste in the wallet address, and those funds, that cryptocurrency, will be sent from the exchange to your wallet. So what I'll do to send 10 ADA, since it's charging 1 ADA transaction fee, is I'll send 11. Enter it and click submit. There are a couple layers of security. There's an email verification code and then a Google verification code. After entering them, click submit. So now all that's left to do is to go to your wallet, be patient, and you will see the ADA appear in your wallet from Binance Exchange. So there you go. 20 ADA in the wallet that we created together. There were 10 that were received earlier from a different wallet and 10 that were received from a cryptocurrency exchange. So the parting words that I'll leave with you is keep your seed words safe. Keep them locked up. Keep them in a fireproof safe. Memorize them if you can. And that's it. Well, we learned a lot in this video. We learned how to safely install the Cardano Daedalus wallet. We even talked about how you can be sure your computer is ready by keeping the operating system up to date, by making sure that you're virus and malware free, and also that you install the Daedalus wallet in a safe manner so that you know that the file is authentic. So now that you know all of this, you can safely keep Cardano ADA on your computer. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so that you always are the first to know when we've released something new. And press the like button, please. That always helps the channel. Cardano, the world's next operating system. The future is ours. Until next time, goodbye.